Hey loves, it's a new day. I just got off work. I received a call out today in the morning. So there was just a little bit of this and that. But today I was just keeping a client company. So yeah, she just had a lot of pictures of her grandchildren and stuff. So I was just helping her with that. So now I am at Papachino's. I'm waiting for a friend. I'm going to be having lunch. And then so it's basically nothing much. So come with me. I couldn't even vlog in the morning, guys, because we see perfume yummy. A lot was happening, but I'm just glad the day is over. So come with me to Papa Chico's.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, how it go. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was loud, slide, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. I'm coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close. Time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers flow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when you wanna see you.
I mean, I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it up, just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you, I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up, just so I can turn you on, baby.
Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
The end of my day, so I'm going home now. Everything went well. My meeting went very well, I can say. I'm so exhausted, I need to go and rest. My braces are poking me, so I'll see you on the next. Bye. Yo guys, I'm heartbroken, Jongan. My Fosan iwile izolo. I was late ne. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngizitshela ukuthi ngibeke kahle. Angazi what happened. Iyele yawa phihlililins, and on top of that ngilate, angisakwazi nokuthi I couldn't even scream like the way being late ngakhona. So I had to literally just putsa seyisele yona lapha, and literally mangibuya the whole house was smelling like this Fosan. Like literally mangilale ebusuku, the Fosan it was just hectic. Too much of something is not good. But however, I need to replace this because I love this. I love this. Guys, you don't understand. And ebeyisisile kangaka ngiloko vele ngithi nomele ngithenge enye kanti shem. Anyway guys, izolo bengisemsebenzini. I was at the hospice. So at the hospice, for patient safety and confidentiality, I can't vlog, I can't do anything. Like, I don't know, like it's more like a doctor and patient confidentiality. So abanye they like it's for the client's safety and also for my safety as an individual, because there are some people that just watch us online that are just weird. They want to track our whereabouts. So lapana, because Leanda Walana is a bit quietly earlier. So for my safety, I will show you what I can. But Mangla Payana Shem, from literally when you get in, the phone is out of your sight. You need to focus on the client, on the person. So Izolo, Izolo, she's new, I guess. I don't know if I'm using the correct word. So for the purpose of the conversation with Umbiza Umarik. So Izolo, it was an introductory, getting to know her and spending time with her. So that's why you're seeing that being in Izolo, we're just sitting, going through pictures, talking about life, reading her books. So Umariki, she's got cancer, right? She's like on the last stage. Ufike kule point ukuthi abo doctor sibamtshelile ukuthi Mariki when I like it's fishane. So that's when now they start looking for a death doula and somebody to hold their hand basically through it. So Izolo Umariki sixoxile about a lot of things, and uzoshem ungihlanzele nokungihlanzela, guys. But thank God I carry an extra a set of clothes. Like even if it's just crusty stuff, I just carry an extra set of clothes. Bengoke a dress, you know, because we need to cover up. You can't wear flashy jewelry. You can't wear loud makeup. Your hair needs to be, everything needs to be proper. Like marabeng fage lama bonnet la was especially, but I had on the dress and stuff, and then ngifaka ni mask yabo, and then if we client ngiyabona ukuthi no, but abanye shem I do take off the mask to have the experience be a little bit more humane, because abanye they feel like they are talking to a medical practitioner, and when they like hire you as a death doula, they are looking for that companionship, you know, that they never had. So Umariki yesterday, she was reiterating her story. Uguti, this is the type of background she comes from. She was married and then she later on divorced, you know, and settled gahle, you know, because the husband was well off. Indoda yathatha umntwana yahamba yohlala nomntwana kuphi overseas, and then the child later on went on to join the army, and then due to life umntwana wagcina washona in the army. So she's telling me that, you know what, I lived my whole life ngiwani, divorced when I was also she was 29, because she had Anna 23. So what divorce am I gonna 29? So uthai as in Michelle, guys, but for the purpose of the conversation. So you know what, Michelle, how old are you? So because you're still young. Do you know that life literally begins at 40? Impilo at 40, that's when it starts. Right now you can make your mistakes, you can fuck up, you can do all these things. But once you're over 40, there is no room for mistakes, because you are literally trapped in between your lived experiences and death. So you either make calculated decisions so that you die in dignity, or you make bad decisions so that you die in shame. And she says, you still have a long life ahead of you for you to go and enjoy life and do all these things. So don't be so hard on yourself. You know, yesterday the services we offer as death doulas vary from what packages clients book for. So Umariki basically what she booked for, because she is still having her money, but Uti, she is lonely. So uyangbuza ukuthi do I have kids? So I'm telling it I got two. I wish you could have more kids, because the more you age, the younger you become, and you become more fragile. And when you are alone and have nobody for your side, the world can literally seem like an empty place. She says, I booked for the services because I have literally nobody. I have nobody. I am all I have, and I'm going to die alone. And that's sad. And I do have siblings. However, their kids will not honor me the same way my own kids would have honored me, you know, or grandkids. So it was something, like we were having those chats, those conversations, and you know, angotela about, guys, iphelile ashwagandha. Oh, it's not A1. Okay, I need to go get ashwagandha. So I think I should ashwagandha because of your ngibuyele estressing laphayana. Guys, once wafika laphayana, once you go into the hospice, they try to make the experience as comfortable as is, you know, but it is something that drains. You know, when you look at a person and you can see that they don't have life in them, and particularly, you know, the angel of death is always in that place. So you can't go there and leave there all right, you know, you leave there ungekho right now as a person. And I think it's all after the lunch date I had, Nakona, I was waiting for the lunch date to end so that I can come home because ngiyanida bengneed ukudebriefa uyangidraina leyo msebenzi loyana but ngiyawuthanda. You understand ukuthi ngiwuthanda ukudlula endumbeni. So so bekangibonisa iy'thombe zakhe. She lived. Uphilile leya muntu leyana, guys. Uphilile. She has a life well lived. So she's telling me, no, you're still young. Allow yourself to fail as much as you can between your 20s and your 30s because you are acquiring as much experience that you need to move forward. In your 40s, you are now reaping from the seeds you would have sowed in your 30s, you know. So she and the importance of having kids and all of that. So I have a lot of sessions. So basically, let me not say I have a lot of sessions. I have sessions until she passes. So that's the reality. So yesterday was just a meet and greet for her to get to understand who she's working with, then namang figure and all of those things. Because sometimes I'm a nesla pana baba peleli inhliziyo. You know, you always hear of these things. Those are real things. And especially like, you know, so yeah, she was just sharing that and explaining about her experience as a person and all of that. And ungibuzile also ukuthi kulo msebenzi lo we-death doula, why death doula? So ngiyamxoxela ukuthi I understand. So yeah, une-cancer uMariki. So ibuhlungu indaba yakhe because I think ukuthi I don't know, it's the radiation emphatha kabi because uthe uhamba i-therapy, chemotherapy. So like akekho right, fragile. Yeah, kuningi mdala though. You know, I've accepted that I'm literally, you know, almost at my deathbed. I know December will not come. I'm not gonna have Christmas, and I don't even want to have Christmas here because that will be so sad of me to have Christmas here. You know, it's so lonely here. Even at nights, you can't sleep. People are crying. They are seeing their deaths. So, anyway, guys, today, meeting your funny phone and. My assistant fell and broke iphone yomsebenzi, like screen sikrekile. It is very bad. Uyithathile shem uthuyeza mkuyilungisisa, but I feel like why is she getting that phone fixed? So she's now using the laptop to do the admin. And shem, like, guys, am I strict? Because ugogo literally bekasaba nokungibonisa ifoni, you know, uwile umuntu, and the only thing she's concerned about is the phone, and like that I shouldn't fire her. Am I that strict? No, I'm not. I'm the sweetest person. I think it's just that I'm strict when it comes to work. But I felt bad. I'm feeling like why is she so, you know, she's like, yo, in. So I was like, so manje ujampi, uthathele phone uthuzoyisa kubo my friend. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi labo bantu laba abase kuthi bakhona So mele ngithenga phone because I need to carry on with the online appointments. Albeka abantu abahlupha njengama appointment online. Umuntu uzobhuka i-appointment nimuphi date. Omunye ubhuke i-appointment yakhe akacelanga emadlozini wakhe. The appointment tends to be a mix-up. Like kuningi nje. Ngicela ukuthi uma ubhuke i-appointment, a virtual consultation, please make sure you talk to your ancestors so that you can have a swift session and a swift booking process. Because trust me, if uhlangahlangene spiritually and unqolile and there's a lot of things going on with you, you will not see me until you are spiritually ready. You understand that? So that's what my ancestors do. They just want you to be spiritually ready. You can book and the moment is not even ready. You understand? So I need to get a phone and just so that sizosebenza ngayo. So it's gonna be a temporary phone so that naye abe phone, because that's the phone Engi decided to get a hold of her, you know. Yeah, so uzathatha emholweni wami in into engimtshela yona nje ukuthi njengoba uya kanje uyahlola kaze uhlolani gogo. That's what I say to her, ukuthi uyahlola. It was not that deep. So mailing telephone. Also, I have a package of mine mailing you a pep. So I think I'll just kill two birds with one stone and do that. It's also the last Friday. If these whole schools open, I am so happy. It's also the last Friday before schools open. I'm so happy that these kids are going back to school. Like Uzi Nami the whole day. okay, unless ngiyasebenza, you know, but uhlala nami angifuna ama hot chocolate angapheli. Like nasingazeli mina mabahambe baye esikolweni labantwana, it's back to the admin mailing you like prepare imali because uzwile uyakhera, so ukhera 30 rand every day plus juice, snacks and fruits and water. And then ulihle agakheri, he gets everything at school, so it's back to that routine. But I'd rather have that than to actually bahlale namla endlini. Bengenza teaching mina, I was studying for teaching, and even in my teaching bengenza BET and FET and senior phase, bengifuna ukuthicha abantu abadala bengeke ngikhona vele guys, like ngisena ngiyiparent ne, but anginasineke, like angeke ngikhona ukurun icrash, angeke ngikhona akina the patient ke barata banamara. Yeah, like I'd rather tolerate my own kids, but yeah ngilo umuntu leyo. So I'm just happy because babuyele esikolweni. Abomalume nabo badlalanga guys, imali zama transport yo akadlalanga futhi lo akazwili. Usende imessage lapha egroupini. Wathi bazali ningayenzi lento leyo, ngicela ukuthi understand ukuthi this is my bread and butter. Na transport akazweli usisi lo transport igama lakhe uMpho. Nomuntu waba uMpho. Ngiyampoporoza nje, abompoporoza. So yeah, so I'm just happy about that. So that's what today I'm going to be busy with. And also my dad, iflats lenga left, ne? Like my tire is flat. So lele lingale, it's a spare tire. It's really spare. So salifaka zange sisalikhipha. So manje likhonente lihlabile. So manje li flat. So bamela angikhiphile spare tire lesi angifakele itire imoto le ihamba ngama-run flat. I understand. Ihamba ngama-run flat. So inotifyile yathi tutututu itire lakho. So ngazitshela ukuthi hayi let me pressure, let me just, because mawumile you can, there's an option you can do laphana in the car that just automatically balances the whole car. So ngiyabona ukuthi hayi, so ngithe last thing it's hayi ngifuna ukusebenzisa imoto. Guys, I don't like driving. If there's anything, like I'm happy there's an excuse that like I can't use the car. I told you also it's leading up to my mom's passing and don. So in my memories angekho right. So and I'm dreaming about my mom a lot. These days, like she's in my dream literally every single day, and like we're having conversations, busy. So I'm actually looking forward to going to sleep. You understand? So yeah, that's the chat. So but mama uzongathendela lento leyo. It is when I realized ukuthi ngiyanida ukuthi like anginandoda in because bekangitshela ukuthi mele ube nani. So ngithe you know what baba, ngizohamba nawe ngiyothenga lezi zinto lezi ngibe nazo. Abuma uzibalile lezi zinto lezi angizazi. I'm a girl guys, you know. And then when I was still in survival mode, kube ngilitshintshile le tire leli mina. Kube ngilitshintshile ngajeke imoto ngajeka ngafaka itire lisha. So I'm a girl. I'm a queen. I'm a princess. I can't be living on survival mode. So I'm waiting for my logo. Itire leli. So uthe itire uzofaka itire lelisha, but leli elibhobokile uzohamba ayolipeshisa. Because the nice thing about a run flat tire, you can use it while ihlabekile. You can just go to the garage, bakuvalele imbobo and all of that. But lama tire lawa vele lawa sajayele sana once lihlabekile ipati pelile. So good ukuthi libe khona as a spare tire, so that if anything happens ngine tire eli spare, you know, like I believe in that. I don't know. Yeah, but ama-tire dura guys. Mele ngithenga ama guys, being a like uba nemoto kuyadura. Itire nje itire nike nalazi ukuthi ama-tire malini, ama-run flat malini, like it's just a lot. So that's why ngithi umuntu onganamoto will just talk bullshit. Ebengazi ukuthi imoto iyadura. Like iyadura especially in this economy that we're in. The car's expensive. Tires are expensive. The car maintenance is expensive. You know, if anything happens to the car, like guningi. Last is just couldn't mind the car. Anyway. let me get ready, and let's see how the day goes. So I'll see you soon. Hey loves, my battery, what am I saying? My car is sorted, so now I'm driving to go pick up my parcel at Pep and then see if I can't get a phone. So yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. Let me head out.
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, your other nigga tired.
Baba, why can't I listen to this? Guys, okay, that was my little brother, ne? So Monday I'm at ShopRite, and then we buying my dad wants bread and cold drinks, so we're getting that. But it's like it's 1907. Inga kinamthanji. 19 zonke zithi 19 mara nizodla masinakwethu baba
Era mina ngithatha nje.
hayi nayi 22 lapha phezulu baba 22 lapha thatha yana nani baba necoffee manje baba uyodla ngithengike i-KFC already into soyidla sonke
Yeah, I think KFC is fine.
okay.
On that talk, take off your tire. Oh, it was a hectic
baba
talk.
icoffee ngifuna esefrijini thatha yi-2 baba ama-cold drink yes babami uthanda i-special kusesikhathi ngome ngihalela utshwala and angikhoni nokuphuza ukuthathe itroli nje encane ithi ngithathele laba ama-snacks ke baba
Spaghetti nasa.
hayi sisesi-right ngithathelele ngoba ngibona
But me, I'm gonna wash your car for you. Don't mind.
baba really thank
I'm
you
gonna wash the car for you.
manje baba mele sishiye malini 50 rand kuleya muntu leya
You don't owe that guy. I
oh
paid him. It was like 50 rand or other change. That guy cost $10.
oh okay
Yeah. I'm going
nani lo
to
elama-point hayi nginalele se-checkers
Oh.
leli extra saving so kutshani ngiyaphila ngicela ungiphe i-family treats ne i-10 piece right i-10 piece right
10 piece.
yeah
Yena kuphela.
ngicela ungi-edele nama-strips ne
Nama-strips.
yeah
Ama-strips ayizakhala.
ayi-6 right
Ayi-6.
yeah
Shoot azoba 8 or ngiyeke 2 times.
a-right
7.
8 no i-8 right
Ngiyashaya i-4 ne?
okay
Ayibikani.
all right sharp oh okay never mind sharp
We can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played those all night. Leave me alone, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you wrap around the edges, laying on your chest in my bed now. Rubbing all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do the way I do. And they don't know me like you. All the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like a lady. And we go off around that cable. Love is not world, or you could have LA. I'ma give it to you, and I don't hesitate. If I call you up, then you know that I'm on the way. You and your mouth catching checks that you know gonna bounce. You say you promise and promise you'll figure it out, but I can't wait to tease me. I back down.
Guys, I'm done. My car is clean. I am going home now. I need to go rest. Ngiyagodola. Iflule angeke iziphele, but mina ngitry concoction ye-ginger ne-honey. So my dad is a sweetheart. My car looks so clean. Woo! Sana. Because at the car washes, I had a problem the last time mangdonjeli perfume, mangdonjela my shades. So I got major trust issues. You get what I'm trying to say? So my dad was talking about this tire thing, and he's telling me that the guy lobega hambisi tire my pumpis is like, oh my gosh, like because that a tire le motor one is close to like guys ibhetri la last thing ibheki ibhetri 12k. Ngicela kumele ngithenge ngithatha indica or something, because wow, you know. So anyway, let me go home, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Probably close off this vlog, yeah, and see. But thank you so much for watching until this far. So let's wrap this up. Let's go home. Morning, guys. I'm lalang. I didn't catch much sleep, but yeah, I'm a kharanabel. See, isugile isikhathi sokuba yiprincess sokulala asikho. So I need to wake up. Nyoldoza, I should be back before sunrise or at sunrise. So I can't vlog that part out. For my, yeah, they're just things I can't take you guys along to. However, yeah, I'll be back in an hour or two. And if there's one thing I can tell you, if you think that is your biggest achievement in life, you have a surprise coming for you. Like every year, it's like you're going through some, you know, training of some sort, you know. And the more ukula edlozini, the more izinto change, they are more diverse. And once to what was once your biggest fear of being alone, ematlatini, of being alone, emanzini, and all these other things, it disappears. It disappears because you know that you're not alone. Like Ilozi will put you in the most harshest of environments just to test, you know, your trust, your resilience. So that part of my life is still, you know, sacred, and to me, I'll forever honor that, you know. And hey, it's not easy, guys. That's what I can tell you. Sometimes you don't know why you are being sent on certain things, but you are being given certain instructions. So you need to trust the process and allow yourself to be led instead of complaining, like, why am I doing this? You know? So, so let me wake up, guys, and and we'll take it from there. It's actually, I'm gonna check the time for you now. I'll be back around 5 or 6, and I need to wake up again because I need to work. So I need to come back quickly as I can to try catch some sleep, and then also mfudumale, drink some pills. So hey guys, it's a good walk. Guys, I just knocked off Nkatele Nyafowofa, but Red Bull has been sustaining me today since ngivukile njengoba ngiphume emantatha. But ngibonga nje ukuthi ngibuyile. Let me take my shot. Yeah. Ngibonga ukuthi ngihambe safe ngabuya, because guys le ndawo lezi esihamba kuzo, they are sacred spaces but they are not spiritually safe. If you are not pure enough, uyasala kule ndawo lezi, and particularly the hours like esihamba ngazo yabo. So mawahamba le ndawo lezi, you need to be open-minded ukuthi some of the things you see there are not things of the world. Umuntu ozitshela ukuthi uyambona are not people. Umuntu ozovela small talk is not a real person. So your spirit needs to be clean enough so that you are able to decipher those energies and you know how to react when you are in those places. So I can't even vlog that for you. I can't even, show those things on camera because of protection for myself. Particularly also enye into is that indawo abakini abakubonise yona eyokukhuleka eyokwenzani, it's not for public information. So you can't put yourself at risk because of content, because ezinye izinto they are meant to be sacred like that, not a secret. Yeah, sacred and secretness are two different conversations. However, even the regalia I wear there to those particular places, to that particular nda, it is sitting down to the easy thing is down. I've never taken picture or content with them. Like I've never, because I want them to remain as that, sacred to my journey, because it's not for public consumption. They are personal things. They are personal things to my journey. However, we hear stories a lot about things that happen in Napaya, and it's not the place that I normally go to. I literally go to once in a while, like in here once in a while. Yeah, but because I don't watch them in daylight. Fuze ngizwashe ilanga malishonile or sekuntambama or ngizwashe ebusuku ngizineke, but akumelanga ngizineke like ilanga liphumile so abantu bephithizela. So it's those strict instructions that you get from your ancestors that literally show you ukuthi some things are just meant to be sacred. And that's why I'll never understand people that do group work ngento zabo ezipersonal ezizazihlozini. For example, mawuyothandaza uhamba nabangani, mawuyophahla uhamba nabangani uphahla ne-boyfriend. I can never do that. That has never been my life. That has never been my journey. It's not that I have anything against these Angoma, but those are oaths I made to myself that I do not ever want to have a relationship outside of Indumbayami, particularly nomuntu who's in the same walk as me, because it can never happen. Once a person feels like that, that's why I'm saying Guti, siphethe ingulo ezihlukile, and then a person osengulweni naye afuna ukubheka ingulo yakho abone ngathi angaba ne-input enguleni yakho. Like, I'm trying to make you understand. So I can never socialize using my gift or my calling. My gift is not a social card. I'm not that friend ukuthi manginawe ngizoprofita or mawi oyam futhi mawi oyami ngizokulahlekisa ke mina ngizokulahlekisa. I will not do that. I will not use my gift as a social currency because I've seen how it ends. It doesn't end well. So yeah, so it's just one of those. But ukhula shem siyakhula siyaphambili edlozini. I'm just that ngikhathele kakhulu, guys. Ngikhathele, like I'm so drained, and I promised labantwana a farewell lunch because angisho babuyele esikoleni, so indlela zethu seziyahlukana. Phela mabaya esikoleni, literally see them for a couple of hours, and then anything after that abekho, uyangunderstand. So bazendini ngokuzolala bazothatha ikhapsini sesayahamba futhi. So today we're supposed to do that, but Uzweli was suggesting that we have a slumber party, pajama party. So we out of whipped cream, so we need whipped cream, marshmallow. So I'll see, but I just feel like ngizofela farewell lunch and then come back and rest because angilalanga. Like even bonile nje bengise ngiphephe ngabutho angilelanga ngabutho ami ngisahleli and futhi mangizohamba mina vele indlela ivele ngiphathise anxiety, so benginaleyo nto leyo ukuthi yo ngisaye endaweni ekude and uyabona futhi uhamba uyi-one and etc. So that's why ukuthi ezinye izinto awuzibiki awuzikhulumi, they just the spontaneous things that happen that you are led by your ancestors ukuthi you need to do this, do that, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z. So bengilinde nje ukuthi ilanga lehle ngizokwazi ukuthi ngigeze because I can't bath. Oh guys, kuningi la Khaba Sangoma, kuningi siyakuwa nje, kuningi siyakuwa, no kuningi siyakuwa. So ithi ngiyoceda ngenze yonke lento ekumele ngizenze namhlanje, so I'll see you in a bit. I just need to pick up my energies. Into engafuni ukuyenza ngiphuze i-coffee because once ngaphuza i-coffee I am going to crash. So let me get in the house, nginakele ama-minions wami lawa, and then bese ngibona ukuthi ilanga lingiphelele saphi today, and hopefully that should be the last part of the vlog. And then I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the guys in Katele. Uyangicaka mina umuntu. Umuntu ojahela ukuthwasa, o umuntu obona ngathi kuba isangoma okuslayer. Nina nazi ngisayothola amathara. Mhlawumbe vele ithi ngingaproject because asithwasa ngamadlozi afanayo, but hey mina shem alifaka libuya nodaka, alifaka libuya nodaka. But into engiyithandayo njengalabo gogo bami, into engibaqela ngathi ngicela nje ama-beats. Khanimeni Rainbow Khanimeni ngama-beats. Guys, ithi ngihambeni ngizonibona. Bafazi, it's past 5 to 6. It's almost 6 now. I got in the house, clean, and basically tidied up because I hate an untidy space. I feel like when I got OCD, but if I got OCD, it means I got it from my dad, because in a week I clean like about 4 times, and every week I have to do laundry. I can't keep laundry for more than a week. So anyway, I am on my way to the pharmacy because there's no way ngihlale ngikulo umuntu mamlambo, like ngihlale lang recover khona mele ngene emanzini, like ngihlangane nje guys, ngigeze ngiyamanzi anatural namhlanje kuseni, so I have to get some medication. Ngiyafokofa ngiyaza ukuthi angekho right, and nolihle naye unesihuba. I tried home remedies, like none of that shit is working. So I also meaning batengile McDonald's because I'm not gonna cook. I need to drug myself and medicate because, believe it or not, next week I have cleansings. I have cleansings next week, and I have to be recovered. So I understand ukuthi angeke like ube right moya sangoma or uhleli at your best health, because when kancane umamlambo. So hey guys, I don't know. So let me go and sort out those errands and then come back home. So as I mean guys, yo guys, into ela McDonald's, it's a mess. Kunzima ukuphuma, kunzima ukungena. Like kunzima ukuphuma, kunzima ukungena, kugcwele la. Mina ngathi sham. Yo. Oh, can begin. Can't do it again. Ebanna. Ha. Yabona abantu nama license asebox. Lihle hlala phansi tu, hlala phansi. Cabanga umuntu imoto encane kangaka akasa-reverse. Oh. Cabanga nje admin engaka. Kube idala like, yo, unnecessary drama. Guys, kugcwele la McDonald's. It is packed. Look, just look at the drive-through. Kunini sifikile la. Yo, kunini. So ngendlini manje epharmacy ngithole kuvaliwe. So ngizoyenza ama-home remedy lawo wama-anyanisi nani. But ngiyocala early caution. Kune-bottle store yami. Ngiyocala khona angeke ndinqaniwe angikazulala ndingenanto ethi tha emlomeni. I cannot. So I'm going to get something beverage because yonke into iyabanda endlini kusikhona i-ice droppers khona isavana angifuni next abandayo e-right amarula ene le ekhona isele kancane so ngifuna ukuyibhoboza then ngiphuze ngilale ngikhadile nama-babies wami so angeke kumele ngithenge utshwala abantu imoto abayisaba hawu maradi mamzo yo uyahleka ebusuku sana you go see the happenings singithenga utshwala guys nangomunye iMercedes engafuni ukuhamba engcolile yes lo bhuti utadla kanjani yes thengile eAmarula yam ne yo yazine amadoda ayangidina mina khona umunye ubhuti lapha ngicishe ngamklapa amadoda ayadelela and like yazini futhi ithi ngithule ngicishe ngamklapa ukuthi nje angiphethanga i-okap yami but ngicishe ngamklapa so ngendlini manje guys sengicedile kumele ngiyenza lama home remedy walabantwana laba i-anyanisi nehani yeah that concoction le ngibona ukuthi uzolala namhlanje especially ulihle mina ngizozidraga ngemapilisi vele there's nothing I can do. I'm just gonna drug myself. Yeah, i-anyanisi nehani. So it's in driving guys sizokhuluma ke love and light babies. I just want to do this honey and what thing, eat, bath and then relax. So I think sizobonana kusasa. Look at my eye bags. No, I need to sleep today. I need to have an early night and rest. So I love you guys. See you tomorrow. North Meat and I'm here to buy water because in Bone the water level is very low and now I was like, what the hell, what do you mean? So I cannot not have water, so I'm trying to look, but mainly I think I'm looking for drinking water and then also nappies for ulihle and izinto zakazweli for iskaftina as it is back to school. However, it was hard getting out of the bed. I'm really not well. So I just can't wait to finish up what I'm doing so that I can just go home and rest. However, I don't even cook because I feel like ngzobanezitsha and then because the water pressure is very low. Like apuma very, very slowly. So I think I need to be super smart about it. However, we're here to have the Last Supper before I betray Jesus and he goes to school, or Judas Iscariot, or they are Judas Iscariot, or actually so I'm not in my best feels, guys. Like like not look like what I'm actually feeling, but near fogofa, guys. So we're gonna be doing that. And then I think so yeah, come with me and come with us. Come with me and come with us. Zuli, come to the camera. Lisha, come to the camera. Oh, say Last Supper.
Last Supper.
Before Jesus.
Before Jesus.
No, before Judas.
Before Judas.
Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, guys, say Last Supper.
Last Supper.
Before Judas.
Before Judas.
Betrayed Jesus.
Betrayed Jesus.
And went back to school. Yeah, so anyway, so we're here for that. Zilimara yini yini because ngukubrushile mina inhloko. Kahle kahle shuthi mina unenza mina upopayi mos. Why inhloko yakho inje? Oh guys, mabahamba buyile esikoleni sengiright labantu. Asambeni.
The real trap Selena.
Hey, face pretty, I could win her. Yeah, only want that. This is good. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. If it ain't about money, cut it short, 20 bracket, baby. Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm running belt to ass. If a bitch will smoke with me, then we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed, just rub my feet together. Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who them vanity Chanel's for? Not me. Y'all bitches post some shit up all y'all want, but not see. Gotta do the jumbo, might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag, gotta keep it classy. ABCDEFG, these bitches can't fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb, talking on my money phone. Shout out to my hoes, with the pants like Kamala. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama, Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. She's just calling me and they keep saying, let's get at it, baby. Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm not as talk about this hating ass bitch. Ungrateful ass bitch. I don't care, man. Somebody gotta say it ass bitch. Fake friend ass bitch. A clown ass bitch. On the net, kick your friend while she down ass bitch. Your loyalty depends when you around ass bitch. Backdoor hoe, hating on the low ass bitch. You a shady ass bitch. You been trash since birth. Mama didn't want you, princess baby ass bitch. Still wagon ass bitch. Bottom feeder ass bitch. All that dick riders doing get no feature ass bitch. She just mad she got a nigga she be sharing bags with. My nigga cheaper, I don't stick no dildos in his ass bitch. You look a hot mess, easily impressed ass bitch. Never gave looks, just started getting dressed ass bitch. Ricky, you're the only fashion.
Listen to your heart, girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need, baby. Listen to your heart. I'm the only nigga who poppin' that. Got it jumping out that he did like who coppin' that. New G-Wagon got a brag and put a lock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Copy that. I've been cuffin', Chanel bags like it's nothing. And she loved him, my last nigga, he was bluffing. He said fuck him, he let that go on like he bugging. Now she thugging, with a real one. I've been falling on you, smart love you. All my homies know me best, they say I'm falling for you. And that boss be slippery like tryna walk on oil. And I be there long as you there when I be calling for you. Girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need, baby. Listen to your heart. You can get whatever you want, whatever you need. Got a one-way flight, so I ain't letting you leave. We ain't fuck first night. Had me begging you please, but you love when I'm begging. You told me get on my knees and I ate it. We got faded. You said put some Tory Lanez on it and I played it. And Philly, we said you the main joint and we save it. Finally got a rich nigga, baby, you made it. Long as you hold me down, you know that it's going down. Be there when I turn around and I turn your world around. I had to tone it down, cause you made me slow it down. But I got you open now, so I'm about to show you now.
yeah, I'm not feeling well. Shem, I must say. I'm under the weather. However, I just wanna treat myself at least for the next 2 to 3 days, ne? So I don't think I'm going to rush to send Avant like to school, even though we had our last supper. So I'll just keep them a bit and monitor them and see how things go. So the onion and honey remedy is working wonders because ubrazo agasakho kuhleli kakhulu. However, I'm going to give them ginger. I'm also gonna have ginger. I'm also gonna have this. It's just onion and honey. So if you have red onion, ginger, you can put it and then ufagi honey, and then you can keep it overnight or just for a couple of hours, and then let syrup. It's a cough mixture basically, so it's good. It's very, very good. However, I also decided to get this, and I also decided to get this. So for the next couple of days, I am gonna be ngiyovela kangaka engubeni umuntu ezithi mbonye like literally I just want to treat myself because I am like on and off frequently. Last thing eating about right corner, there's honestly something that triggers me. And also umsebenzi wami, guys, nguBear Grylls. If animazi uBear Grylls, go Google him. Umsebenzi wami nje nguBear Grylls, ngigibela izintaba, ngijumpa imifula, ngiyenzani. So there's no way I cannot not be under the weather. But ngibheke my old videos ngithe umuntu kudala ahamba izintaba, ahamba amanzi, kudala lempilo ngayiqala, you know, and it's only fair ukuthi umzimba wami now shame, it's taking its toll. That's why ngintshela ngithi 40 years ngithatha i-blue card, ngithatha imali ye-blue card, ngithatha umhlala phansi. Angeke shuthi nje mele ngifake ilumba corset, ngisebenza ama-client, ngifake ilumba corset, ngenzeni hayi sana ayisebenzi kanjalo. So guys, ngiyanithanda. Thank you so much for watching until this far. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Pawadimu, and I will see you on the next one. Ngisayo treat that, guys. Agu ginger, agu garlic, agu ini, agu ini. So kusayaba busy, guys. So my saying one of it means because I'm feeling a little bit better. So I love you guys. From me and my minions,